Okay, so this is one of the screens that you sent me. This is the black one, which I replaced today. I replaced the white one yesterday. That one also has dead spots, but this is just an example of where the dead spots are, or what the problem is up for the screen. So I'm gonna draw horizontal lines here. As you can see, there's a region on the screen where it just stops sensing touch. So yeah, that's the problem. With the white one, it's not a whole column, and I guess you can't call it a dead spot. But once your finger reaches around here, the screen just like spazzes out, and sometimes if you like do the same thing with the white one, the lines just go the basically run the whole screen and then just continues to shake. So yeah, that's the problem right now. As you can see over here, no effect at all. So yep. And also for the white screen, there you can see a quite a significant amount of liquid for some reason under the screen, in between the screen. I don't know what that is, and it's definitely not pleasing to the eye. Yes, that should be about it. Oh, and as well, for this screen, it's not as you can't see clearly, but on the white screen, you can easily see that the grid pattern that's used for the touch sensors. So it that pretty much ruins the color production of the screen. Yeah, that's basically it.